Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today, the video gonna be a little bit different because I have a lot of requests from long time ago to want to see my kitchen and my pantry. So today, I'm going to show you everything from my dining and my kitchen and my refrigerator and the pantry. Everything that you guys keep asking me and want to see, but I never have a chance to do the video for you because I want to organize more my pantry or I not feel comfortable to show everything. But today I'm going to show you because it's been a long time since people, the subscriber, all the support me keep asking for this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with our dining room. This is our dining room. I pick everything myself. The dining table, and I like a lot of plants. So our dining room have green. So try to some cactus, some plant, some growing, some die. But I keep doing because I really like the green. And we have the extra storage here and all the cabinet. I just put the stored all my cup, my favorite plate inside here. All of them. The baby tries to show you. Alright, so this is our dining room. Okay, right, and this gonna be next between the kitchen and the dining room. So I have to buy like extra shelves like to store all my kitchen bowl and equipment, some extra thing because I have even it's a lot of cabinet that you see behind me, but it not fits all my kitchen stuff. So I got an extra shelf for that. And then we have a chat can over there, but you don't want to see that. And a doggy bowl. And I always like to store my dry herb, shallot, garlic, ginger, and onion, and whatever some herb not have to be in the refrigerator. I really like to put it there. Okay, and from the cabinet we start our kitchen, I decided to put all the plate and bowl and everyday using like I use a lot of, so I put it here because it's easy, it next to my stove and very close to the island and the dining room. So I put all the everyday plate that I use, I put in here. And the first drawer, both of them I have all the Tupperware.
This mine.
Yeah, the same thing.
This mine.
Yeah, hold the baby spoon it right there. Yeah, this is the first and second drawer next. And then here the cutting board that I be using a lot too. Okay, and this come from cameraman. Okay, and then next the first two cabinet, if you can see, come on, let everybody see. I will have a rice cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, like everything you see in here. And then I hanging this extra, so I have extra space, so I just put a hanger here. Okay, let people see. Alright, yeah, alright. And next it's gonna be a microwave and stove. And this cabinet up here, I still put some stuff because I have so much kitchen thing, but I just put something like I not really use too much up there because sometimes it's hard for me to grab, but I still want to use every space that I can use. So okay, and next I think a lot of people do want to see this cabinet. Look, I have so much. I know if you can see from there, they're not even anymore because I put a lot of salt, heavy stuff in here. So I try to I already remove a lot of them, but it's still a lot. This is all the seasoning, actually more, but it's all the seasoning. And look at this hot sauce. The cameraman, he like hot sauce, so this is all hot sauce that he got. And yeah, oil, pepper, all the spices all in here. Up there I have a pot and pan that I not really use a lot, but I want to make sure I have things like that too. So yeah, this drawer. Okay, and then I store it a lot because I cooking Thai food, Asian food, sometimes for the Western food and Mexican food for Joe also. That's why I have all different seasoning and spice. And this cabinet is the everyday pot that I use, pot and pan that I use a lot for everyday cooking. I like a lot of cutting board. Yeah, and I hang something a little bit here. Okay, and also for this island, a lot of space for this island too. For this shelf, we have all the towel I using, and this one same thing. This how I putting easy, and this one of course nobody want to see this too much, all messy. All the kidding stuff. Okay, in here, and dishwasher here, and this one it will be extra for me, extra that I put yes, I put all the extra stuff in here that I need. Same with up here too. This is all the extra pen and extra thing that I easy for me to grab. That's why we have to lock this one. Alright, and next is going to be pantry. Next gonna be our pantry. Let me turn on the light. Pantry, and then we're gonna go refrigerator next. So pantry first. Okay, this a lot of people keep asking me. I have a kind of like not quite like super small pantry. It's like but medium size pantry. It's not our big walk-in pantry. So and I cook a lot of food and I have a lot of kitchen stuff. So I use every space. I use all the space. And people asking me how to store all the Asian stuff and how I do them. I just try to put it out here, the dry stuff on the side. I can't get inside there, so it's kind of like a little bit small. And this thing, normal, I never buy this. Is first time I buy it. It's funny because I want to try them. They kind of on sale and I will buy them, the pre-made, but I want to try first time. And all the Asian stuff is mixed, but I make sure I organize them so I see and then I know where I need it for. Coconut milk, everything there. And I think I find out when you do the box like this and then you will have a small pantry, it works a lot. Like because I have a lot of different spice. Let's see, they're not really big, they're just about this size. So I put all the flour here, the Thai flour. I put it down here. This is all the flour. I like it in Thai. Some I like it on English, some I like it on Thai. It was something easy for me. I like it on Thai. I have all dry noodle. I have flour, dry noodle in both of the container. Be all different. And also I know a noodle, of course, my favorite. So yeah, and all this little box like this, I have like, let's say like dry chili, because I use a lot of chili. If you, I mean, it can fit a lot, and they only $1 for a box like this, so it's easy, a container like this. So and then you just write it. I can put the link for you where I found the label and a pen. Because they really help. And the box is just from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, so yeah, all these boxes from a Dollar Tree. Okay, so the pantry, a lot of people want to see. That's why I kind of like let you see extra time in here. And I forget to tell you, I always put the step in here so it's easy for me when I want to grab things. And also the down here is all my rice and bean. I have the big box and I have the jasmine rice inside there, and the drink. I use every shelf, every space for this pantry. Okay, so next we're going to go to the refrigerator.
I'm going to the refrigerator.
Okay, and next my refrigerator, I tell you first, it's not really organized, but you want to see this, I show to you. Okay, we have a 2 refrigerators. We have one in the garage and this one. So this is all I keep full, everything. More hot sauce. So I think it's same normal to everybody store the refrigerator, but I know mine is not really organized. But and this is how I keep my asparagus, just in the cup and the water. Okay, and same thing with my freezer. I make a lot for the baby, so the all lollipop. I put some not the meat on the top shelf, and then I put the meat on the bottom shelf. And we have another store, and then I put the curly. I put curly inside the frozen. It keep longer. It keep them fresher when after you open. And also I already tell you I put the toasted rice in the freezer too. And garangel in the freezer too, and chili in the freezer too. So next to the refrigerator, of course, I have the London baby magnet for the. She like to play with this. Okay, so this house they have like a drink area or bar. Or some people might not make it for the drink, but for me, I'm making for the drink area. So I put all my cup in here. Okay, so I like a lot of cup, I know. So I have a lot of cup in here, and I have all the drink or toaster, something like easy for you over here, some tea over here. And then down here have a lot of container. I keep it down here for the container, and also I hang it on the drawer with all the lid and thing. I like to hang it on the drawer. Like it can be you guys if try it. It's extra space when you hang it, and then easy to find them too. And same thing inside the drawer. Some straw, some camera stuff, some electric something. Yeah, some extra. This is be my extra thing. Not really organized. And bottom here, I have another kitchen stuff. Like you guys know, some extra blender, a cupcake, a mixer, everything is here. And I hang things on the side too, some straw or something. And up here, I make it to a cup up there that I not really use, and some medicine, some vitamin. And then
That's my ramen.
yes, and then I
like
have
my
a
ramen.
little extra space here for the camera. Sometimes we leave the camera here, sometimes we need to when we're filming. Alright, here all the dining, kitchen, and the extra area and all in it here. So one more thing, if you want to see another refrigerator, I can take you to another refrigerator in the garage. Okay, and second refrigerator we put in the garage. Okay, this refrigerator, I really like this refrigerator more than the other one, but this one, the other one come with the house, so that's why we have to put this one in here. But you can see I have a lot more sauce too, miso paste, and yeah, I have a lot more sauce in here too, so I'm storing a lot. Some meat, yeah, they keep a lot. They can fit a lot. I put all the frozen meat in here. Right, and here that's it. I know sometimes not really organized, something not really organized, but I try my best. A lot of people want to see it, so I show you all. Okay, so I hope you guys like my kitchen tour, because being a long time you guys asking me for making the kitchen tour, and today I have a chance, and I hope you like it. And this is a kitchen that I make all the recipe for you, and talk to you and making the recipe, and be a couple years inside this kitchen. But I hope you guys like them, and I like them, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe. Yeah. And can see me for the next recipe. Thank you. Give them a kiss. Bye bye.
Bye bye.